I'm Gordon.
And today we're going to do something fun for the followers, some really easy but very nice styling towards the end of a basic pattern. So what we're going to have is the sugar push. So basic sugar push looks like this, 2, 3, and 4 on the anchor, 5 and 6. So what we're going to do as a follower is on the anchors, on the 4, we're going to start with our body turned in a bit, like this. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So my left hip is more forwards than my right hip. From here, we're going to do a styling that looks all together like this first. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. And then you're ready to go into your next one. So here we were on the 4 on the anchor. We're going to go 5 is going upwards and 6 is going to go down. And so you're going to focus on your hip here. Here on 4 we have connection, we have attention. On the 5, I'm going to go up with my left hip, 5, and then I'm going to twist out onto and 6 with a hip down. So it's a 5 and 6. So my 5 is forwards, and then my 6 is backwards on my left foot. Okay? So in one go, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6.
So what I really love about this is I can see a lot of things happening, but there is no signal, extra signal for me. So I know that she's maybe up to something, but I don't have to do and I don't have to tweak anything. So maybe for the leader's perspective, knowing that she's going to enjoy herself, what we need to make sure is that we don't ruin that connection. So maybe we can just bring our feet back and to the back and to the front, and that's it. Because this is her show, this is her moment. Yep. Shall we do this together?
Yeah.
Okay, here we go. 1, 2, 3. While she's busy, we just throw it and back. Yeah? And maybe we can also look at her and then bring it back.
Yeah. Last thing I want to mention for the followers, the focus here is on the hips going up and then down. But if you want to make it look better, you want to also make sure your upper body follows as well. So if you watch my arms, 1, 2, 3, and 4, up and down. I open up I go from closer position to my arms to a more open position with my arms. And that's how I can kind of make it a little bit more natural.
Awesome.
Super, thanks a lot guys. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel if you'd like more WCSA tutorial videos from us. Thank you so much and we'll see you guys next time. Bye.